Hi friends, welcome to Bafna Cars. Today we have got a very beautiful Maruti 800 in house for the complete modification. This is not just a modification, it's absolutely a dream of Mr. Yogesh Modi from Satara, and we tried to let to his expectation. We have really taken care of all the minute details in this work. Right from the paint work, the full paint job is done. The engine painting work is done, the audio upgrade work is done, the detailation regarding the seat covers and the interior has been done. Come, let's have a look for the entire setup.
इन वादियों में टकरा चुके हैं हमसे मुसाफिर यूं तो कहीं दिल ना लगाया हमने किसी से किस्से सुने हैं यूं तो कहीं ऐसे तुम मिले हो.
Friends, this is all about your confidence and your love towards us, which makes us really make some good projects like this. Hope you like this complete video. We would really appreciate your comments in the comments box. Thank you so much.